Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the strings, right? So today we'll be discussing about the escape sequences. Escape sequences, right? So escape sequences starts with a backslash. Escape sequences, see here, this one, backslash, right? Escape sequences starts with a backslash and allows us to include special characters in a string, such as new line. New line, nothing but the slash n here, this one. New line, slash n, tab, slash t, also quotes etc, right? So this is the major advantage of making use of the escape sequences, right? Escape sequences start with a backslash and allows us to include special characters in the string such as new line, tab. New line comes with a slash n, tab comes with a slash t, quotes etc, right? So let me explain. Before considering the simple example, let me explain certain things, right? So these escape sequences are there, right? So these are very helpful when we want to insert non-printable characters, right? So when we want to insert non-printable characters or special formatting inside our string or special formatting inside our string, right? So let me consider a very simple example man here. Let's go with the new line and tab example first. Let's go with the new line and tab example first. So here let me consider variable name text and let me give here hello. For the new line we'll be making use of the slash n, right? So for the new line we'll be making use of the slash n. Let me give here hello world. For the tab we'll be making use of the slash t. Also hello world, let me give python, any random word. So this is fine. Next, let me include the quotes in a string. Let me include the quotes in a string. So I'll just go with a variable name quote here. So I'll just give he said, he said. This one let me go with a backslash. So this one will be learn python, learn python, right? So this is fine, this is fine. So here I have to give one more this one, right? Yeah, I hope this part is completely clear, man. I hope this part is completely clear, right? So now we are done with this one. We have just included the quotes in a string. We have just included the quotes in a string, right? So this is for the this one. Don't get confused here. This double inverted comma is for this one, and this double inverted comma, this double inverted comma for the this one, right? So this is fine. We have successfully included the quotes in the string. Next, let's make use of the backslash character as well. So suppose if you want to give the path, so I'll just make use of the name variable name path here. So this will be c. Let me go with a colon, some path I'll just randomly give. So here users slash slash, so I'll just give Bharadwaj here, Bharadwaj, right? So let me close this one. So I didn't give double inverted comma here. Let me give double inverted comma, man. So did I press insert? Just give me a second. What happened here? Yeah, this is fine. Now we have included the backslash character as well. So suppose if you want to print all, suppose if you want to print these three, I'll just give here print of what the variable name I have given, text. Also print here quote, right? Quote, this is fine. The final one is print here this one. Let me go with the path, let me go with the path, right? So these three things, these three things. So we are going with the output and the explanation. Let's go with the output and the explanation next, right? So here let me execute, or let me run this one first. So I'll just go with python. So what's the name here? Escape sequences, right? The escape sequences dot py. So we are getting the output hello. The next line I have given here slash n, hello, this one world space. So this space, as we have made use of the tab actually, tab space, right? So this one slash t. So hello world python, we are getting correct, right? So quote I have we have included the quote here, right? So we have included the quote. So learn python, this is coming within the quotes, within the double inverted comma. He said comma, we are getting this one in the quotes, right? So within the double inverted comma, this is fine. So here we have made use of the backslash character as well, backslash character as well, right? So this prints a single backslash. This prints a single backslash. See, this has removed double, we have double backslash, right? So this only prints the single backslash character. So we are getting correct this one. See, single, this one backslash users slash Bharadwaj, right? So we are getting the correct output basically. So let me summarize this one, whatever we have learned till now. So we can make use of slash n, nothing but the new line, slash t tab, double slash, nothing but the backslash, this one single backslash, single backslash with a single inverted comma, as this one single backslash with double inverted comma, etc., right? For formatting inside strings, right? So escape sequences are helpful for handling file paths, formatting, and the codes, right? So just remember this one: escape sequences are helpful for handling the file paths, formatting, and codes. Escape sequences are helpful for handling file paths, formatting, and codes, right? So I hope the escape sequences concept is completely clear. Now we'll finish it off this one. So the next topic we will be discussing about is this one, formatted strings, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.